Elsewhere in this tutorial, I talk about a very basic way to use expressions in After Effects. But if you really want to get fancy, but you really don't want to write the expressions, behaviors are your one-stop shop to create some really interesting effects that you can apply to your animations. You can find the behaviors folder by going to the animation presets. And by the way, don't forget, if you don't see this panel, just open it up in the window menu. And you can twirl down behaviors, and you can find all kinds of things in there. But as always, you don't always want to just drag something onto your animation and watch what happens. You want to kind of see beforehand, so you can go to the bridge. Just go to Browse Presets by going to the menu in the upper right hand corner. And of course, I have my bridge open already. And as you can see, I'm in my After Effects folder, Presets, and down here I can click to find the behaviors. I'll double click on this folder, and then all the behaviors inside will open and show me an animation. So here's an auto scroll going vertically, a drift over time, and as you can see, there's tons and tons in here to choose from. As always, when you find something that you're happy with, all you have to do is double click on it to apply it to the selected object in your After Effects composition. So let me find something that's interesting here. Now that might be interesting, since the Telltale Heart has the guy's heart beating real fast. I'm going to pause this, go back to After Effects, make sure the old man is selected, and I'm going to go back to those presets and then double click on that preset to add that scale bounce. And I'll give it a couple of seconds to do its thing, and let's see if it worked. And I don't think that it's on there, so let me just go ahead and find it myself and just drag it to the character. There we go. Either way, you can get it in there. Double click on it or drag it to it yourself. Chances are I probably didn't have it selected. But as you can see, we have a whole bunch of math going on in here. These are our expressions. So if you're really good at expressions, you can modify this and tweak it to your heart's content. But all of these transforms and scales are applied to that particular behavior. So once again, I'll go ahead and scroll the timeline, and we can see that we have this really interesting bounce going on with him, which will make the scene quite intense. When you want to try something else, don't forget, just return to the bridge and study the presets, and then double click on it to add it to the selected object. And as you saw there, if it doesn't take, not a problem. Just drag it right on top of the target and the preset will be applied.